Oh, y'all won't believe what just happened, bro. I can see we got the ops. Some motherfucker broke into my Mustang, bro. He took my gun. He took some cash I had in there. I don't know what else he took because they're gonna take the fingerprints off of it. Alright, here we are. Let me show you. So, that's what they broke. They broke the fucking windshield. And then they took money I had in there, in the glove box. And then they took Neil's wallet. And then they took my weapon from the glove box. But there's that fucking fucker. And there's glass everywhere, bro. We gotta clean that up so Neil can sit. But probably, I don't know. This sucks. Cause mine got broken into, and then Kunja's car got broken into. Everything else is good, but that right side. And then they took some pictures and fingerprints. Hopefully something comes back. Hopefully we find that fucker. But there's some cameras over there, so maybe they can find it. And I was literally talking about dash cam today, bro, with Neil. I just got mine 2 days ago. Bro, I was like, I need it, cause if that happened to Kunj, I need it. I don't know if they scratched anything. Nah, I don't see no scratches. Bro, how they break the window though? Spanked it or something? Huh? They spanked the window. For real? No, I'm saying how they break it, bro.
Oh, with the thing, like rod.
Cannot
oh,
understand.
it's the metal rod, you know? Yeah.
Metal rod. Bro, this sucks, dude.
Alright, guys.
So, bro, that's not funny,
Second
bro.
car in 1 day. Second car. This is so fucked up.
Right? Why is it? Okay, so in fact, they fucked that car. They robbed that one. They broke into they broke into that one, and then they broke into this black Charger, and then mine right here. But I didn't have dash cams or anything, so we don't have footage other than those cameras. But we'll find out.
Right.
Which one? The light one? 270 something.
When I drove by, kind of coming this way, I saw a crowd ton of people still hanging out over there. So I was like,
So this is how they take fingerprints off of a car.
oh yeah, because like there's a bunch of cars inside the time. So yeah, they all wanted to. Yeah. Yeah, because that was like our start of our shift. Was in person. Is it for city? Yeah. Because there's one for
The fireball shot. I
Uh-huh.
don't think it's ours. So
Okay.
It might have dropped it over there or something.
Trying to be investigated.
I'm just letting you know. That's not ours. So.
He wants to be a cop. That's why, he's kind of being.
He literally told me that, so I was just letting you know.
Hey, ask if they're hiring.
Volunteering.
Everybody is always hiring.
Yeah, I was about to say we're always hiring.
Nobody wants to do this job.
He does for sure.
Scoot's coming in 2 years, don't worry.
2 years.
Yeah, he's coming.
Yeah, we were a little bit minimum last night. One of my partners is
City of Spartanburg Police.
Yeah. I'm finna put the. You got the footage, right?
The crackheads doing my city.
Yo, guys, I'm about to put that, huh? Y'all better like this video that I'm about to post. Oh, well, he's about to find out. Oh, bro. I gotta get this reaction because I was tripping, I swear. Bro, what the fuck is wrong with you, dog? Well, we're gonna film the cool stuff. I told her about the middle console thing, how it closes, and how I had it closed, and that they opened it to take the wallet and stuff. So she's about to do that. I'm so tired of this bullshit. Yeah, you good. Well, there goes the forensics. Alright, okay. Should I take this with me? Yeah, might as well. Screw it. Bro, how the fuck they gonna fix this? No, just put it in the front seat, bro. I'm not cleaning this stuff. Just leave it. Nobody's gonna sit in my car. Oh, dude, that's just scary as fuck.
Just leave it, bro.
Just leave it?
Just leave it, that's fine. I mean, you don't need that shit.
You're right. That's 15%. Bro, there's fucking... Hey, yo, should I roll my window up? But there's glass in there, look.
There is no window left.
How the fuck... How they gonna fix that? Yeah, no.
Yeah, that's fine. They do it all the time. It's their job.
Did you go? Yeah, I'll throw all this shit away in a minute. Bro, I'm trying to think. Did I? No way. I had my card in here, right? Thank God. Oh, my mini card. Alright, well. Fuck. Every time I close the door, bro. Yeah. I hear glass everywhere. I'm gonna be cold as fuck, bro. Can't believe this shit happened, bro. They took my gun. Bro, I don't know. Whoever stole and broke into these 3 fucking cars over here, you're a pussy, bro. And if you're watching my video, like I said, meet me. I'll meet you at the same spot you broke into my car, and we'll settle this shit. Cause you should be doing something better than this. Not fucking breaking into people's car, bro. Fucking up their life, wasting their time. Like, dude, what's wrong with you? Alright, guys. So we're going home now, and like you can see, my brakes are squeaking like a bitch. But anyways, bro. Oh, it's gonna be cold drive. Oh my God, I'm so cold, bro. Anyway, fuck! You pussy ass bitch, motherfucker! Break into my shit one more fucking time. I swear to God, bro. Damn. Motherfucker. Got nothing better to do, bro. Got nothing better to do. Bro, tell that fucker to suck my dick. I hope these are the fucking prints, bro. I hope these are his. Bro, every time I close the door. Oh my God, bro. This shit's pissing me off. Oh my God, let me take my wallet, dog. Then my window's fucking gone. Currently. So we got the girls at the QT hooked us up with these, you know, garbage bags. But we're gonna, bro, this looks so stupid. This looks so ugly, bro. Look at this. What the fuck, bro? My car look like a clown right now. Bro. This shit sucks. It's gonna be like pop, 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 pop. That's the goal. And I'm cold. As you can see, bro, it's super noisy. But we're going home. I'm really upset they broke into the car and whatever. And you know, obviously they took my gun and some cash I had in the car. They took Neil's wallet. When we get home, I'll keep y'all updated. Hopefully that shit don't fly off, you know? Alright, y'all. I'm not wearing shoes, but fuck it, bro. Here's the car. It's at my sister's right now, everything. But as of right now, it's gonna stay here until it's fixed and everything's good. But y'all stay safe. So, now, well, we put the tarp because it's gonna rain and storm. Now, that'll work, right? Yeah. That's funny. What's going on? Yo, what's going on? Today's a Wednesday. I kind of feel sick. The guy is waiting for me at my sister's house with the window. He's gonna fix it for like 300 bucks. That's pretty good. I wish the insurance covered it, but the type I have for that Mustang, it's not gonna cover it, so fuck it. Hey, y'all fuck with my haircut? I look like come cut. Talk to you when I get there. So yeah. Hey, we got the. They about to fix my windshield real quick. I appreciate it, brother. I'm gonna take this tarp off real quick. Oh, that's what it looks like on the inside. Getting all the glass now, but the fish roll, it's on there. It's all done. Look at that. Yes, sir. Now we need a tent. Alright, that's pretty much it. That's the end of the video. The window's done. All we need is a tent now. And don't forget to like, subscribe, stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. And darn. What do you want?